Hey folks, Saksham this side from Ace IPM. The day we have all been waiting for has finally become a reality, and that is IIM Bangalore is finally offering its IPM program. In this video, we are going to have a look at all the details around it. So without any further ado, let's begin. So if you come on their website, open up the program section, you'll find the IPM program listed over here. If you open up the page, this is what opens, which says it will be a 5-year full-time program and the seat intake is going to be 180 students, which is highest across all IIMs. And what makes it more exciting is the fact that IIM Bangalore is an old IIM. It is the best in this country, and not just this country, it actually has its place in the best management institutes across this world as well. At the same time, if you look at the average placement for last year, that was 33.82 lakhs. This year, it'll probably be even higher, touching the ranges of 36, 7, 8 lakhs as well. So fingers crossed on that. But rest assured, this is going to be a great option for everybody who's aspiring to be in the field of management and want to be a part of IPM. Now, in terms of the degree and the structure that IIM Bangalore is going to follow, that is largely going to be the same as IIM Indore, wherein the first 3 years is going to be a Bachelor of Arts degree, and the final 2 years, of course, is going to be your Masters of Business Administration. So it's a BA plus MBA combination and not a BBA plus MBA combination. And that is also why on Twitter, IIM Bangalore once mentioned they're looking into starting a liberal arts program and not a management program at the undergrad level, right? So, it reinstates, the fact that, that is what they had in their mind all along. Now, in terms of, all other details, it's all regular. You have the option of exiting the program after the 3rd year as well. All the basic details are mentioned over here. Now, you would be wondering, how do you apply for this program? Well, the application process is straightforward. You don't have to give any different examination. Your scores of IPMAT Indore will be accepted by, IIM Bangalore as well for their admission. And at the same time, in addition to these scores of IPMAT Indore, your scores in your 10th and 12th will matter, which is your scholastic achievement. Gender diversity will also have some points. You will also have a written ability test and a personal interview as well, which will be taken after the shortlists are out. Now, this page, as of now, it does not give us clarity in terms of what is the weightage of each component, whether there will be sectional cutoffs or whether there will be an overall cutoff. All of that is something that we are yet to, receive an update on. But as and when we do receive an update, we'll definitely let you guys know as well. So please subscribe to this channel for more such updates. And in addition to that, if in case you look at the 10th and 12th criteria, it's again pretty straightforward. Minimum 60% is going to be your eligibility. At the same time, there's no age eligibility which is being talked about. There's only an eligibility in terms of when you have passed your class 10th and 12th. So that remains there. Now, talking about the fee structure, it stands at 39.5 lakhs for your 5 years of time that you spend over there, which I think is reasonably priced given the stature of this institute and the kind of exposure that it can provide you with. In addition to that, you also have to pay 30,000 each term for your mess. That remains, as an additional charge, but everything else is covered in this fee. So I think, that is pretty much reasonable comparing it with other IIMs as well. At the same time, you also have options available in terms of financing. So you can take no collateral loans from banks like State Bank of India and finance your education that way. So that will be taken care of. There are certain scholarships available as well. So, you might want to look into that as well. So that remains there. And as I mentioned earlier, the placements over here are fantastic. The placements, the figures that we have are of MBA only, because for IPM, it's going to be the first batch. But if you compare the placement report of IIM Indore as well in terms of PGP versus IPM, they're more or less the same. So you can expect the same happening over here. 5 years from now, you can probably be expecting roughly around 50 lakhs per annum as an average placement, which you might stand a chance to get once you be a part of this IPM program. So I think that is something which you should definitely be, looking after and definitely consider applying for. And that is it for this video. Happy April Fools. In सब फालतू की बातों पे मत ध्यान दीजिए. The only focus that you should have right now is your preparation. And अगर आपको मन से दिल से preparation करना है, you can also join the excellence batch that we have over here at ACE IPM, the link of which will also be down in the description. So you can check it out. We'll also have a live orientation session on YouTube today evening, wherein we'll also be discussing the strategies and the plan ahead for the next 50 days to be cracking this examination. And that will be it. Comment down your views on IIM Bangalore's IPM program. How do you find it? You can also like this video and share it with your friends who might also find it informational. And if in case you want more such updates, you can also subscribe to our channel. And with that being said, take care, stay safe, all the best, and bye-bye. Happy April Fools.